What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can start a gaming channel and start making money. Hit that like and subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you get all the awesome videos like this. Before you can start making money on YouTube, you need to have 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. It's going to be a difficult journey, but if you're very strong and you know how to persevere, then you will get to that goal in no time. I am going to be showing you some tips, tricks and strategies that you can use to get your channel up and running. The first thing you need to do is you need to do your research on YouTube. Take a look at the most famous games. Go to YouTube and see which games are being played the most and which games are being watched by people a lot. If you're very good at those games, start making video gameplays. The best time to start a YouTube gaming channel is when a new game just comes out. If you're very good at that game, start making gameplays of that game and people will subscribe to your channel. There are different types of gaming channels out there. There are people who just post video gameplays without talking. There are people who like to talk in the background of a video gameplay. There are people who like to show their faces and show their facial expression when they play a game. And there are people who like to add text on their videos. You need to figure out which type of YouTuber you want to be and then start making your channel. In my opinion, I find that videos where people talk in the background, or videos with people showing their facial reaction, or videos with text on them are the ones that make the most subscribers. People usually subscribe to your channel especially when you add value to their life. That is, if you show them something that they don't know, they will reward you by subscribing to your channel. So make sure your gameplays are mostly about tips and tricks or some hacks that you can show people on how to progress in the game. Also, if you're very good at the game, show people how to play the game, show them how they can win fast, show them how to beat bosses, and they will reward you by subscribing to your channel and helping you reach the 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers in no time. It's going to be very difficult getting subscribers when you first begin. Sometimes you will get 1 or 2 subscribers every 2 weeks, and then out of nowhere you will begin getting 100 subscribers every day. So you need to stay strong and never quit. Keep going and your channel will explode at some point. I would recommend that you take advantages of new games that just come out. Sometimes games are released in specific countries only, just for beta testing. So if you have access to those games, you should post them on your channel, because people will watch them from you and they will subscribe. For example, Asphalt 9 was released in the Philippines at first, and all those who were making video gameplays of Asphalt 9 from the Philippines got a lot of subscribers. So you need to use the same approach for your gaming channel and you'll get subscribers fast. You need to know that YouTube is not just about posting games. It's about posting good games with good thumbnails, good titles, good tags and good descriptions. All those will get your video to be found by people faster. So you need to learn how to do all those tips and tricks. I'll be uploading videos showing people how to optimize their videos to get views and subscribers. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos. If you're not very good at communicating or speaking English, then I would recommend you use text on your videos. If you're very good at talking and you know how to entertain people, then I would recommend you talk in the background of your videos. If you're not afraid to show your face or your facial expression, then I would recommend you show yourself as you play the videos. Remember that people subscribe to you if you add value to their life. That is, if you show them something that they don't know, they will subscribe to your channel. If you make good videos with good gameplays and you put tips and tricks, you put strategies, you show them how to hack a game, or you show them how to beat bosses, they will subscribe to you faster. Don't just upload video gameplays and put numbers on them. People don't really watch those a lot these days.